How is it possible that for thousands of years the most advanced construction in North America was a teepee, while the rest of the world was building castles and cathedrals and the ancient pyramids? It's not like these people were not smart enough. All Homo sapiens have the capacity to build a home. It's what sets us apart from animals. Looking at the sequence of all the environmental changes that prompted the punctuated equilibriums in our evolution, our brain started growing because we went into homes. The same is true for all the primates in our equilibrium, as they have the same genetic code and would possess the second-order theory of mind. This means people like us would have been building homes now for almost 500,000 years, if not longer. A large wooden beam construction has been discovered in Africa dating back to 476,000 years ago. The Earth's precessional pattern is what creates the punctuated equilibriums. Earth has long periods of stable climate, separated by violent cataclysms. In the last 500,000 years, dozens of ancient civilizations could have existed, with cultures of all kinds of paradigms. This makes for an easy argument that the pyramids could have been built in the previous pocket of stable climate, before the last set of cataclysms that started happening right around 15,000 years ago. The megalithic site Göbekli Tepe in Turkey was buried on purpose about 12,000 years ago, right at the end of these cataclysms. This time frame is also reflected in the Great Pyramid's cardinal deviation of about 16,000 years of tectonic plate rotation. When the glacials melted, the whole continent was flattened and destroyed by megafloods, possibly forming the Grand Canyon in the process. That's why there are no pyramids in North America, and possibly why Stonehenge and Serpent Hill are right at the edge of the previous maximum glacial advancement. The natives of North America were smart enough to build homes, they just never did. Like their predecessors, the Clovis, they remained hunter-gatherers and were locked in this cultural paradigm for 11,000 years. The people of North America that arrived through the Bering Land Bridge had no structural reference. They were surrounded only by nature. Whereas people in the rest of the world would have discovered the ancient megalithic structures and have direct reference to mathematics and Earth's precessional movement, all the knowledge put into the construction of the pyramids themselves. That's why progress came so fast from these parts of the world. The same way North American tribes had their own cultural paradigms, this could have been true with some of the Neanderthals, living in the north, isolated. Every human being can build a home. It's our instinct. Every human being understands right from wrong, though we might act irrationally. It's because we've been living indoors, cooped up with other people for 500,000 years. It's our way of life. We're guided by cultural paradigms because we're social creatures with large brains and recursive way of thinking. We're very smart, but also very gullible. And the same way the environment and evolution have punctuated equilibriums, we live inside of cultural paradigms that can last a long time and can suddenly change or disappear.